Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and AMD has finally released ahead of the release for this September, October, its drivers and chipsets for the 24H2. So, of course, every time there's a new version of Windows, and especially when it's a big change like 24H2, it requires often tweaked drivers. So AMD has announced today that there's a series of drivers, chipsets that are released. They are going to be tested, of course, as this is well advanced from the fall update. Of course, we know that some manufacturers are testing the updates also on OEMs for the original manufacturer for 24H2. So depending on what you are as Intel or AMD, there will be chipsets released for that. So they are generally available for 24H2, meaning that if your PC is driven by an AMD CPU and AMD chipset, there will be a set of drivers that will be released for your machine. Now, this machine that I have here is an Intel, but my gaming laptop, which has moved to 24H2, might actually get something on it. I'm going to go and check it out as 24H2 is installed. And it is, of course, to tweak the drivers, make sure everything's fine. It is often a required update because a lot of PCs, when they have problems, crash, or anything, it's often because the drivers aren't tweaked for the new operating system. It goes hand in hand. Drivers do a lot of things. They make sure that all the hardware can communicate well with the Windows operating system. So when Windows changes, the drivers needs to adapt for that change. So AMD is doing that. Intel has also started tweaking and upgrading its chipsets. So that means that we are slowly going towards 24H2. Once again, for Intel and AMD, this is coming in September or October, so we're still a few months away. And considering the fact that Microsoft has kind of stopped the delivery of 24H2 to Windows Insiders in the release preview, meaning there's a lot of little things to be fixed again. So this is all going to go towards, I bet this won't be before October. Could even be November for the 24H2 version of Windows 11 for regular PCs, Intel, and AMD. If you are enjoying my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.